This is incredible.
Wow. And there's a water there.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. On the island of Lanzarote, we found this place called Los Hamios del Agua, and it is a volcanic tunnel. Now, volcanic tunnels are formed when the hot lava flows through the tunnel and forms a hard crust above. The cool air forms a hard crust, and then what you get is a tunnel of hot lava, which eventually spills out into the ocean. This particular lava tunnel was turned over to our old friend Cesar Manrique, and they actually brought Cesar Manrique in 1968 in to turn this into a real tourist trap type situation, and I would say that he succeeded magnificently. So it is a masterpiece of tranquility. There are restaurants and bars. Also, there are many seating areas where you can just sit and relax and take in the ambiance and the view. They have a beautiful whitewashed pool, which we'll show you later, and an underground amphitheater where they have concerts. Totally amazing. In this little saltwater lake, I guess you would call it, or pond, there are little white blind crabs that you can just see. Our camera doesn't do a good job of picking out the little white crabs. You can see the little white spots, but there's millions of them. They don't want you throwing coins into the water because, yeah, you can kind of see the little white spots down there in the water. Because the coins corrosion may kill the crabs, so they really frown upon anybody throwing any coins in there. But as you can see, Katya's having a good time pointing them out. Come here to see.
Oh, when's the next concert? When's the next concert?
You're gonna wait. She's gonna wait right here till they have a concert.
This is gorgeous.
Well, I thought you'd like to see what one of these cruise ships look like as they come in closer and closer. It's not going to run us over, but we're going to get to within about a mile of each other. I got almost no wind. I'm having to motor. We're in the Canary Islands. We're going from the island Lanzarote to Force Ventura, something like that. I don't know. The island directly south of Lanzarote. And this cruise ship was in port all day. And now he's headed out. He's going the same direction we're going, so he's going to pass us up. We're running one motor at about 3 knots. Not much wind. We had half decent wind today. So we just have an overnight cruise to do. And we will be in our new port. And Katya has a friend flying in from Barcelona to spend a few days with us on the boat. So that's really nice. So we're looking forward to meeting him. And that's what's going on. I don't know if I can get it or not. I'll try. That's the city that we were in. Actually, you can still see it. We sailed away earlier today. There you go. And let it focus a little bit. Move the camera a little slower. Okay, and then now let's see here. What do we got? We got a moon. M-O-O-N. That spells moon. Uh-huh. For all of my Stephen King stand fans. One of my favorite movies of all time. Alright. Bye. So we have arrived at the black beach of Fuerteventura. And it's the second island in the Canaries that we visited. I was amazed at this little downtown area that had this building with all these miniatures. Just thought it was the cutest thing right there on the beach where everybody gathers in kind of a town square area, and they dedicated this entire building to these miniatures with all of the little animated figures, windmills and things like that. Just about as cute as you can be. I can't believe the detail they put into this. We rented a car to go look around this beautiful island, and we got up to this high lookout where we could see all the way around. Quite the volcanic island. Then we went to Batancuria, where we saw a 14th century church with the most amazing artwork. If you look at this painting, you've got people trapped in hell under rocks at the bottom. You've got purgatory people in the middle. The saints are helping them out of purgatory with the angels on their way up to Jesus on the left, God on the right, and the Holy Spirit in the middle. Some of these statues are just really lifelike, especially in the sacristy. This is the most amazing sacristy I've ever seen. So that's a great place to get ready for Mass.
It is sunset officially now.